Hey, Milmo Wood here from the beautiful North Wales. I've been given a challenge by my partner to make a very simple looking spice rack that we can hang on the kitchen wall. I've been rummaging through my scrap wood and I think I've found something that'll make just the thing. This is a very simple spice rack, good enough for beginners. It'll look great in your kitchen. Why not watch the video and have a go yourself? The wood I found is this beautiful short bit of pine, was gifted to me, no real use for anything. I'm going to trim it down and make this great spice rack. Five centimeters, 2 centimeters, 1, 2, base, back, base, back, front, front. Let's get some gluing done. Well, let's get these bad boys sanded down to 240 grit. Now it's time
a Milmo Wood top tip.
Now I use some anti-slip mat when I'm sanding. Might be useful for you. Now I find it really helps. Now, who likes sanding? Answers in the comments below. You never know, you might get a reply. Now don't make the same mistake I made. Trim the ends first. I'm going to trim them now on my miter saw. Trimmed, sanded, ready to glue. Now I'm going to assume that you were like me when I started and don't have a brad nailer. So I'm just going to glue and clamp them as if I didn't have a brad nailing gun. But otherwise you could probably brad nail them, although you have a little mark on the front. If you were painting them, it wouldn't be a problem. Bit of filler, bit of paint, sorted. I'm not going to paint them, I'm just going to use finish on them. Varnish.